Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're constantly chasing after your next paycheck? Well, I've been there too. But then I discovered the Stash app. It's a game changer that has helped me take control of my money. So, let's dive into how it works and see if it's the right fit for you. What is Stash? Stash is a personal finance app that makes investing easy and accessible. It's designed with beginners in mind, so even if you have no experience with investing, you can start building wealth. How does Stash work? Sign up. The first step is to create a Stash account. It's a quick and easy process that requires basic information like your name, email, and date of birth. Link your bank account. Once you've signed up, you'll need to link your bank account. This is where your funds will come from for investing. Choose an investment strategy. Stash offers a variety of investment strategies, including stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. You can choose a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Set up automatic investments. One of the great things about Stash is that you can set up automatic investments. This means you can contribute a small amount of money each month to your investment account without having to think about it. Track your progress. Stash provides a dashboard where you can track your investment performance. You can see how much you've invested, your returns, and the breakdown of your portfolio. Key features of Stash. Fractional shares. This allows you to invest in small amounts of expensive stocks, making it more accessible for beginners. Roundups. Stash can automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. Retirement accounts. You can use Stash to contribute to your retirement savings through a Roth IRA or traditional IRA. Goal-based investing. Stash allows you to set specific financial goals, such as buying a house or saving for a vacation, and create investment portfolios tailored to those goals. Benefits of using Stash. Accessibility. Stash is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to start investing. Affordability. You can start investing with as little as $5, making it accessible for people with limited funds. Automation. Stash's automatic investment features can help you build wealth consistently over time. Education. Stash provides educational resources to help you learn more about investing and personal finance. Is Stash right for you? Stash is a great option for people who want to start investing but don't have a lot of experience. It's also a good choice for those who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to save for their financial goals. However, it's important to note that investing involves risk, and there's no guarantee of returns. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to start investing, Stash is definitely worth considering. With its user-friendly interface, affordable pricing, and a variety of investment options, it's a great tool for building wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.